Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Wisely card. Let's dive into the video. Step 1. Gather your information. First things first, make sure you have all the necessary information handy. This includes your Wisely card numbers, personal identification information and any recent transaction for verification. Now step 2. Contact Wisely customer support. Next, you will need to contact Wisely customer support. You can do this by calling the number on the back of your card or visiting the official Wisely website for more contact options. Step 3. Request card cancellation. Once you are connected with a customer support representative, inform them that you want to cancel your Wisely card. They will ask for the information you gathered earlier to verify your identity. Step 4. Follow their instructions. The representative will guide you through the cancellation process. Make sure to follow their instructions carefully and ask any question if you need clarification. Step 5 is confirm cancellation, the last step. After completing the steps, ask the representative to confirm that your card has been successfully cancelled. It is a good idea to get a reference number or email confirmation for your records. That's it. If you found this video helpful, then give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon. We will meet you again with another informative video. Till then, stay tuned.